QIDI Tech 3D Printer, large size X Plus intelligent industrial grade 3D printing with nylon, carbon fiber, PC high precision printing 10.6x 7.9x 7.9 inch. Friendly reminder: in order to keep the XY axis stable during the transportation, we put the clips. Please remove the clips after receiving the 3D printer. The X Plus 3D printer kit comes with two different types of extruder assembly. The extruder A had already been installed on the printer. The max printing temperature is 250 C, and it can works well with PLA, ABS, TPU. And for extruder B, free to you if you need. The maximum printing temperature is 300 C and can print nylon, carbon fiber, PC. The latest development, free trial. The X Plus with pioneered creation of two different ways for placing the filament. Ventilative printing or enclosed constant temperature printing for you to choose when printing the different types of filament. Double Z-axis driver ensures more stable and more precise printing quality when you print large model size. Higher configuration 3D printer. Latest slicer software version 5.0. Redesigned UI interface of QIDI software is smarter and more convenient to operate. It has changed the software's slicing algorithm and improves the print quality by 30% and speed by 20%. The QIDI software is compatible with all types of QIDI printer, lifetime free, an alternative to paid software. If yours is the old version, please download the latest version on QIDI official website. Backed by with one-to-one QIDI tech service. If you have queries about 3D printer, feel free to contact our exclusive and fast support service team. We'll reply back to you within 24 hours. Free 1-year warranty is also guaranteed. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.